a day in a life after my night shift. Samahan niyo ako. Today, I have plans. Swimming lessons at 9:30. Now, it's already 8 in the morning. So, baka mag-play ako ng tennis. And then, after by 12, meron akong lunch with my very good friends. Buti na lang yung 2-night shift ko, it wasn't so bad. Like, hindi siya busy. Kaya, I'm blessed na hindi ako pagod today. Kape-kape lang and I'll be good. Kumain na ako actually kanina. Tapos nag-tea na din ako. Tea, you know tea? Tea ba? Like, yung iniinom. So, kaya medyo may energy na ako for today's video. Meron akong tennis racket actually. Anyway, pakita ko sa inyo guys, yung view. Ang ganda ng view ko dito. This is my view. Look at the view. This is my court. Libre lang. Ayan guys, tapos na ako. Wow, lipstick is still on. Naka-filter kasi nga ang haggard ko na from a night shift. Napagpawisan naman ako ng very light. Madaming pogi dito pag morning. Kung gusto nyo magka-jowa, mag-tennis na kayo guys. I'm on my way now to the swimming lessons. Hindi pa rin mag-film doon. It's so sad. Pero syempre, we have to respect the privacy, right? So, meron silang gym, swim, classes, courts, cafe. I'm just having my ube latte. This is my favorite actually because it's like no other. It's like no other because where are you gonna get coffee with ube? Where? No one, nothing, nowhere. No, walang ibang lugar. Kaya nakauwi na ako finally. I think it's already 7 p.m. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired pero I had a very productive day. Natapos kami mga nearly 6. So almost 6 hours of like chika and just everything. Dumaan kami sa Filipino store and bumili din ako ng some Filipino things like Tommy. Oh my gosh, I love Tommy. Super sweet corn. Buti pa yung corn, sweet. Yan ang kailangan natin. Tsaka boy bawang, mixed nuts, garlic flavor, almonds and cashew, real garlic chips. And of course, pancit canton. Wala lang. Na-miss ko lang. At saka bumili din ako ng tig-isang sachet ng Nestea at Pineapple Tang. 5 pounds lahat to. Magkano ba yung 5 pounds? Lagay ko na lang dito kung magkano yung 5 pounds. So yeah, na-enjoy ko yung day ko today kahit nakakapagod. Like after 2 night shifts, I'm so happy kasi you know, when you spend time with the people who matter to you the most and you do things that matters to you the most and important for you, then kahit nakakapagod siya, it makes you feel joyful inside. The inner joy that we're talking about, right? Tapos gusto ko lang din i-story about our swimming lessons. It's actually
actually free, which is very good. Yung ano lang niya is every Tuesday siya for like 6 months, I think. 30 minutes lang siya per session. Enjoy namin kanina yung swimming kasi it's our 3rd class na. Yung 1st class lang kasi we were just walking on the swimming pool as in wala pang masyadong ganap. Like very basic from the very start talaga na swimming. Like, I can swim. I know how to swim. Pero natatakot ako. Like, I need to know the actual basic stuff. Even the proper breathing. Yun yung tinuturo. Tapos, yung second naman is parang nag-glide lang kami na parang, you know, you're starting to float pero wala pang paa. And then, earlier today, may paa na siya na involved. So, parang na-enjoy namin kasi parang there's action going already. So, it's really good na parang may ganun-ganun na. Tapos, medyo na-feel ko na yung exercise. Although, for the next 3 weeks, hindi ako makaka-attend kasi magta-travel nga ako. Bukas yung flight ko. I feel sad kasi parang mamimiss ko yung 3 lessons na feeling ko it's important kasi there's a lot of like action going already. But, wala akong choice because I have to go. So, yes, guys. It's gonna be bedtime soon. So, I just need to prepare for bedtime, freshen up, and then go to sleep. And then tomorrow, I am flying. I'm going to Thailand, Japan, and South Korea if all things go to plan. I only have like medium luggage actually. And hindi ko alam paano ko siya pagkakasyahin. Pero at least, nandito na lahat ng mga clothes ko. There's always a solution to every problem. So don't worry, I'll make it work. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. Kahit walang kwenta naman talaga. But I will see you on the next episode.